Lesson check. Planets. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, you will type your first name in the box here. You will now select your cycle number. Number 1, true or false? The sun is the center of our solar system. True or false? Number 2, which planet is closest to the sun? Mars, Mercury, or Venus? Number 3, which planet is the red planet? Mars, Jupiter, or Saturn? Number 4, name the 4 outer planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Saturn, Mercury, Jupiter, and Neptune, or Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Number 5, what is the nickname given to the outer planets? Gas giants, terrestrial planets, or stinky planets? Number 6, which planet is known for its rings? Jupiter, Neptune, or Saturn? Number 7, true or false? The red spot on Jupiter is a giant lake. True or false? Number 8, which planet seems to be rotating on its side? Mercury, Uranus, or Venus? Number 9, true or false? All of the gas giants have rings composed of ice and rock. True or false? And number 10, which planet is the hottest planet? Mercury, Venus, or Earth?